Hi everyone, if you clicked on this video, it's because you wanted facts. You did well because I'm going to give you facts. This video, you all know it. In fact, about 70% of my current subscribers, if not more, come from this video. I removed System32, which I should have named I deleted System32. But anyways, the very beginning of this video starts in November 2024. I just got a school computer because I asked and the teacher gave it to me without reasons. So I was happy and I made this video. After that, I gave it to my brother thinking that he would use it. He didn't. At some point, I watched a short from Linus Tech Tips. It was about what would happen if they deleted System32.
What if we delete System32?
So I went to my brother's room and told him if I could do that. He accepted. So it wasn't a prank and he was okay with it. So the people annoying me in the comments, you don't even know what you're talking about. So you shouldn't even comment in the first place and stop assuming. Anyways, I thought that filming this video would be a good idea and oh boy it was. And I didn't even know it. Nothing was calculated. I didn't even think for a second that this video would ever hit 10k in the first place. Let go the idea of 318k. Anyways, I got my camera, so my phone, the one that I'm filming this video with. Anyways, I started filming. I entered commands, this and that. At some point it worked, the computer turned off, so I took it apart and removed the RAM, CPU and put them back again. Apparently it worked, or it wasn't that worked. Some said that it was the overheat that made it turn off. Maybe not. Anyways, what else can I tell you about this? Oh yeah, you all said that the PC wouldn't ever work again. Joke's on you, I installed Windows back after that. Now what? I hate people who assume. You don't even know the back scene. This video could have been generated by AI for all I know. Oh wait, January 2025? Nah, ain't no way. And I don't do AI generated videos. RAM's already expensive. The only thing I generate with AI are some thumbnails. Really, a few of them are generated by AI as I'm speaking to you. So I installed Windows 10 again. My brother never used it. I took it back after his consent. I kept it in the back of my room. One day I installed Windows 10 LTSC for some reason, then Windows 7 for some other reasons. Then I don't know what happened, but the HDD stopped working. Oh wait, yeah, I opened the HDD to see the inside of it, and that's when it stopped working. Then I kind of broke the motherboard on purpose, doing nonsense to it. Then the case of the computer with the monitor appeared on that cringe video where I destroyed already broken tech. Bro pranked his brother. It wasn't a prank. Evil prank. Still not a prank? Brother, the code you entered into the blue code panel corrupted the Windows code sequence. Take the case to an authorized service center. First of all, the so-called blue code panel is named PowerShell. Second of all, I am the authorized service center. Your brother's room? Did you do this to annoy your bro? Also, the fact that the computer is being tortured on actual hardware is crazy. First of all, yes, my brother's room. Second of all, yes, actual hardware. Thanks, now I can delete my school System32, yay! The guy below replies, not sure if this is a joke or not, but in case it isn't, it's probably not a good idea as it can be, is, illegal to do. It's basically the same as destroying school property. Well, you nail it. The guy on the top, I know this was 9 months ago. I hope you didn't do it, and I'm not responsible for that. C'était vraiment écrit accès refusé sur beaucoup de fichiers. Translation, it was really written access denied on a lot of files. Well, yes, but it didn't prevent me from deleting System32. Do not delete System32. Do not try it. It could ruin your computer. There's a typo and I don't care. In fact, I installed Windows again after that. Your brother is gonna slap you. Are you sure my little brother, who's way shorter and less stronger than me, is gonna slap me? You review your comment, mate. Mais tu es français? Comme moi? Translation? Oh, you're French, like me! Yeah, no kidding. It's written on my bio. This is Dell computer. Times 10 laptop emoji and times 5 iMac emoji. No, this is an Acer computer. Here's an image of it. Now, as you can see, there is written Acer, not Dell. Bro, why did you ruin your brother's PC? There's a typo and I didn't ruin it. You serious? Why you did not use VMware? Here is the corrected version for this comment. Are you serious? Why didn't you use a VMware? Because at that time, I never heard about it. Ton appareil a rencontré un problème et ne peut pas redémarrer car tu as supprimé le composant important de Windows System32. Translation: your device had encountered a problem and cannot restart because you deleted the important component of Windows System32. Well, yes, but why are you pointing that out? Because when I was making the video, I noticed it and in fact, I knew what I was doing. He's French! I am. Good evening, sir. What you did is bad for your Windows. You have killed your PC forever. Sorry. Good afternoon. I didn't kill it forever because after that I installed Windows 10. Have a nice day. Worst video ever. Delete it now. I replied. Worst human ever. Delete it now. Someone said, skull, 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 skull at Yoniq 124. See how unpredictable I am?
I am the danger.
You're so mean! Yeah, but you don't know the backseat, dude. And then this is the end of it. That was the truth. You know everything now. Except one thing in the video that I don't want to talk about, but never mind that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share the video, like it, comment it, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!